first working press. But
please give me your question clearly and slowly.
I think we have plenty of time. There's still 1 hour left, so more than 1 hour. So who wants to go first?
Yes.
Okay.
Not chemistry.
Hello, Henry Triggs from The Economist. I was just wondering about Japan's future in terms of chemistry. Because you hear people, or you see that in Japanese industry, some of its abilities with very high quality chemicals has given it a tremendous advantage, a tremendous leadership role in sort of very high-tech industries. And I've heard the argument before that this is something that China, for example, cannot do and cannot catch up with Japan quickly enough, because Japan has the incredibly clean water, the incredibly clean air, a lot of the kind of sophistication around in the environment that enables a very high-tech chemical industry to flourish. And I'd just like to hear your thoughts on this.
I think, Japan, as he just pointed out, our knowledge or technique of such a field is very high. But on the other hand, economically, I cannot tell you Japan is successful, because we discovered very nice technique first, but the production of such a product, not so many produced in Japan, produced in China, produced in Korea. So that means that is not our field of chemistry. That is, I don't know, economical people. They have to consider much more about such a point. So I think that is, we have to discuss. Scientists, for example, for the chemicals, for example, I told you this company reaction to produce many kinds of the pharmaceutical chemicals. But many of such pharmaceutical chemicals produced by other foreign countries, like American countries, the British countries, the German countries, the French countries, the Switzerland countries. So that is, I don't know how to overcome such a difficulty. But one thing is, the economist, or that is top of the company, in Japan, unfortunately, I don't know exactly, but as far as I know, top of the company people in Japan is not the engineers or science. Their major is, just like economics or other kinds of program. So that is one reason why in Japan, actually production of such chemicals using our new technique are not always successful. That reason should be, one is, I don't know exactly so much exact reason, but one possibility is, in company, in Japanese company, I think I asked the top of the company, should be understand such a science and engineer. That is my opinion. I don't know exactly, but that is my opinion. Okay.